morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some rainy conditions across the area this morning. I see that throughout the morning hours into the early afternoon hours, and should see more scattered to isolated showers and some move towards the mid-afternoon hours today. Moving in tomorrow, we'll see very nice conditions develop across the region. Mostly sunny skies, fairly light winds, and temperatures moderate in the lower 80s to upper 70s. So taking a look at our upper level winds and our sounding from this morning, a freezing level at 13,000 feet. Winds out of the northeast around 10 to 15 knots from 1,000 to 6,000 feet, then becoming more southwesterly above that and increasing up to 39 knots at 25,000 feet this morning. So taking a look at our current surface analysis, we have a boundary currently across the coast of Carolinas, and as well an area low pressure riding along that. We'll see one of those area low pressures moving towards our region for this afternoon, giving us stronger winds. We are currently seeing winds gusting to near 24 knots in the past half an hour. Going to see those winds should pick up just slightly and provide us with a good chance of wind advisory for later this morning into the early afternoon hours. So taking a look at our satellite imagery this morning, you can see abundance of cloud cover across the region. Moving through our loop here, you can see that cloud cover streaming in and giving us plentiful cloud cover with that rainfall across the region. Taking a look at our radar, you can see we do have some moderate rainfall across the region, even some heavier rainfall as well over the coastal sections of the Delmarva this morning, and that rainfall is going to be remaining over the area, as I mentioned, through about mid-afternoon, possibly exiting as early afternoon hours. Taking a look at the HRM model for today, you can see it does have that rain shower activity breaking up quickly. I think it breaks it up a little bit too quickly across the region, but continuing to the afternoon hours into the evening hours, still seeing a chance of those showers across the region for the early evening. And then overnight we should see some clearing skies, a slight chance of some patchy fog. Otherwise, going to see nice conditions for our Thursday. And moving into our Friday, going to see once again a slight chance of patchy fog Friday morning. Otherwise, very nice conditions in store for our Friday. So taking a look at the European model, see that area low pressure moving along the coast up into New England tonight, and we'll see European developing another weak low off our coast for tonight into tomorrow morning, expecting that to keep off the coast far enough that we won't see very high chances of precipitation, possibly some fog, as I mentioned, or could see a brief period of some patchy drizzle, but overall should stay dry overnight. Then moving into Thursday, going to see nicer conditions, as I mentioned. Friday, much the same, high pressure in control, a little bit warmer Friday than compared to Thursday. And then for Saturday, we'll see another unsettled day across the region with an upper level disturbance moving into the Tennessee Valley. It's going to push across our region and towards our region for Saturday into Sunday, and that's going to give us a good chance of showers and thunderstorms for our Saturday. So taking a look at our risk chart for today, we'll see those winds out of the northeast gusting as high as 27 knots this afternoon, and then calming down overnight north-northeast at 5 to 10, becoming northwest 5 to 10 briefly tomorrow morning, and then should switch back out off the water by late tomorrow morning and moving into our afternoon hours. Our temperatures today will be remaining in the upper 60s this morning. Should see a high around 72 degrees late this afternoon before we see those temperatures fall, and a very comfortable overnight low of 63 degrees for our Thursday morning. Our winds will have an orange, so a solid condition here of seeing a good chance of those winds over 25 knots. Should see a wind advisory later on this morning into the afternoon hours. And we'll have that rainfall chance around 100% throughout the morning into the early afternoon. Then we'll see those chances dwindle as we move into the evening hours, with only a slight chance of some isolated showers past 1600 local today. Otherwise, looking at our terminal forecast, going to see that low-level cloud cover in here around 1,500 to 1,000 feet, it looks like, throughout the rest of the day. Chance we do see some clouds or ceilings raised around 4,000 to 5,000 feet, but overall going to see those moderate rain showers, slight chance of a heavy rain shower through early to mid-afternoon today. And then we should see clouds break up overnight with only a slight chance of some patchy fog. Seeing partly cloudy conditions by tomorrow morning with VFR conditions expected. We'll have Tide slightly above normal. And looking at Thursday through Friday, green charts across the board. Thursday, mostly sunny and pleasant. Slight chance of patchy morning fog, high of 81. Thursday night, mostly clear, light winds, slight chance of patchy fog, low of 66. And for Friday, mostly sunny and warmer, high of 84 degrees. So looking at the next 7 days, we'll have that rainfall today. Nice conditions to end the work week on Thursday and Friday. Then Saturday, we'll see more unsettled conditions, a 60% chance right now of showers and thunderstorms. But models have really trended towards a wetter and more unsettled day for Saturday, so those probabilities for rain showers look to increase as we get closer to Saturday. Possibility of a rain shower lingering early Sunday. Otherwise, mostly to partly cloudy, high of 82 degrees. And then Monday and Tuesday, we'll see the heat and humidity return, temperatures in the upper 80s. Right now for Tuesday, possibility of a thunderstorm, but right now being 7 days out. We're going to continue to monitor that. Could have a cold front and an upper level disturbance approaching for Tuesday. Model is really not showing much agreement whatsoever in the weather pattern for early next week. So we'll continue to monitor that, give a slight chance of a thunderstorm right now, but possibility of seeing some nice conditions on Tuesday as well. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day. Back at 8:15 tomorrow morning.